Greetings all, Joseph Kursky here. Welcome to Cartographic Design. Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here with you in week 15 of our Cartographic Design course. This week is completely focused on you working on your final project. Remember, this is not your master's thesis or some huge project. It is a way for you to apply what you're learning in this course and also think creatively. In other words, I've given you lots of things that I'm interested in. Climate, walkability, natural hazards, population change, etc. This is a way for you to apply these skills and tools that you're learning about in these data sets to something you are interested in. It could be local, it could be global, it could be regional, but it's something that you care about. And so you're going to be able to use some tools and abilities that you've gained in this course, and I hope also in thinking deeply about your own future, what you might want to pursue into the future. So this is all focused on the final project. Remember, that final project is not a huge project. It is short and concise, but it allows you some creativity and flexibility in choosing a topic of your own interest. So I hope you have fun with it. Remember, it needs to be anchored in a wider study. So you need to have as I explain in the guidelines, a bibliography saying, hey, I'm studying wildfires, and this is what this researcher and that researcher and that researcher have done with GIS and cartography with wildfire studies. So you need to anchor it in the broader picture to show me and your peers that you are thinking about how other people and their methods might inform the methods that you are using. And I've got some other guidelines as well, but don't make those too rigorous. Have some flexibility and freedom with it, but enjoy. And I hope it's going to be something useful that you actually would take into the future beyond this course and maybe pursue in a more rigorous way beyond the confines of the short time that we had available to do it in this course. I will spend my whole life through making maps, just making maps. Winter, summer, springtime too. Making maps, making maps. But I digress. We'll see you in week 15.